This is the AI news flash for March 13th, 4 p.m. UTC. First up, Amazon and Cerebras systems have announced a partnership to speed up AI inference. AWS will deploy Cerebras wafer-scale chips inside its data centers, combining them with Amazon's own Trainium 3 custom AI chips through custom networking technology. The two companies will split inference into two steps. Amazon's Trainium 3 handles prefill, transforming user requests into tokens, while Cerebras chips handle the decode stage, generating the AI response. Cerebras is a chip startup valued at $23.1 billion that builds fundamentally different AI chips without relying on expensive high-bandwidth memory. The new service will be available in the second half of 2026. Next, Barclays says the AI spending cycle is far from peak, and NVIDIA shares are too cheap. According to Barclays' model, the CapEx upcycle lasts into at least 2028 and could exceed consensus estimates by more than $225 billion. Training, operating expenses are projected to peak in 2029, with capital expenditure peaking a year earlier as infrastructure must be deployed before training workloads ramp. NVIDIA is trading at roughly 14.5 times calendar year 2028 estimates, which Barclays argues is too great a penalty compared to a traditional growth multiple of 30 times. GTC 2026 kicks off in just 2 days. In other news, Fortune reports that AI is straining employees rather than reducing their workloads. A new study found that time spent on emailing has doubled since AI tool adoption, while deep focus work has fallen by 9%. The increase in AI-generated output is creating a bottleneck in review and revision, resulting in a growing gap between the original promise of productivity gains and the reality on the ground. The companies are now reassessing the true productivity impact of their AI deployments. And finally, Anthropic says AI's influence over the labor market is only beginning to be felt. While there is no statistical evidence of mass AI-driven unemployment yet, the company notes that AI task coverage is expanding rapidly and the real impact lies ahead. Programmers face the highest task coverage at 74.5%, followed by investment analysts at 57.2%. The gap between theoretical AI replaceability and actual employment effects remains large, but Anthropic suggests it will narrow as corporate AI adoption matures. That's all for this AI news flash.